In this video, we will see the use of max function in MS Excel. Here we have a table contains the chocolate name, region, quantity, and the sales. But I want to find the maximum quantity and the maximum sales from this table. Let's see how to do. Type equals to type max. I want to select the quantity column, close parenthesis, enter. Here 850 is the maximum quantity with respect to this chocolate names. Here is the one. I want to find the maximum sales for this. Type max function and select the sales column, close parenthesis, end. Now here, if you can observe, 30,000 is the maximum sales of the chocolate names. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.